Go. Open it. Open it all the way. Open it all the way. All the way open. Like that. Open it. Take the stuff out. Put it over there. Hey, take the stuff. Put it over there. No, over here. Get the stuff out. There's your charger. Hope the battery's in there. What is it? You see what it is? Whoa. Is that cool? Yes, sir. Whoa. Cool. Yeah? Wait a minute. Wait. We gotta find the battery. Battery should be in here. I think the battery might be in the room somewhere. We're gonna have to get the battery, baby. Dad's gotta find it. But there's your little tractor, and I'm gonna do it when he's got it together.